Welcome everyone. In today's video, we are going to learn how to run MySQL from the command line and create a simple database step by step. To run MySQL from the command line, you primarily need a running MySQL server and the MySQL client software installed on your computer. First, open the Windows Start menu and search for MySQL command line client. Click to open the application. After opening the MySQL command line client, the screen asks for the MySQL password. Type the MySQL password carefully and press the Enter key. This command creates a database named University. The next step is selecting the database by typing Use University. This command tells MySQL to use the University database for all upcoming operations. The video then creates a table called marks. After creating the table, using this command is used to display all tables inside the University database. Next, sample records are inserted into the marks table using the insert into statement. Finally, the following command is executed to display all stored data. Select asterisk from marks. The output shows all rows and columns from the table.